Hi, it's Nadia here. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this super easy connector. It should take about 2 minutes to make and it's very versatile. You can use it in lots of ways. So let's get started. Let's have a quick look at the materials and the tools that you need. You'll only need your basic plier kit, your flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, cutters. I'm going to use 6mm pearls, but you can use any beads that you want. I suggest starting out with 0.6mm beads, and you will need some wire, jewellery wire, 0.4mm wire, and you can use any plating colour that you want. I'm going to start off by cutting a length of wire. It's going to be roughly 10 centimetres. I'm cutting it freehand, and you will need 4 beads. So I'm going to take 4 of my beads and thread them on my wire and push them so they're more or less in the middle. Next up, I'm going to fold my beads to create a square, making sure that I leave a tiny little gap at the bottom, and I'm going to twist the 2 wires at the top once just to keep them connected. Grab your flat nose pliers, hold the little twist that you made and bend both wires backwards, making a 90-degree angle. Take your round nose pliers and grab hold of the bend quite close to the tip of your pliers so that you get a nice neat loop. Take both wires over the top of your pliers. Now readjust your pliers, so release them, turn them around and carry the both wires through and underneath. Hold your pliers upright, take hold of both wires and wrap 3 times towards the beads. Now trim the excess wire carefully. Tuck any sharp little edges in with your flat nose pliers and carefully twist your little loop around so it's sitting right on top of your little link. And you're done. Your link is ready. You can make your little connectors in any colours that you want, but I'm going to show you how to make a little graduated one because it's very effective. So once more, I have a length of 0.4mm wire. It's about 10 centimetres long, and I've put 4 0.6mm beads on it, white, cream, champagne and gold. I'm going to fold it to create my square. Make sure that you leave a little bit of space here because you will need to put a jump ring through it later on. Now twist both the wires together once, just to keep them together. Flat nose pliers, holding both wires together, and bend them over the pliers to create a 90-degree angle. Remove your flat nose pliers and place your round nose pliers in your little bend, making sure that they're quite close to the tip, which will give you a neat little loop. Take both wires together over the top of your pliers. Release your pliers, bring them round, and then carry both wires through and underneath. Turn your connector on the side and taking both wires together, make 3 twists. Remove your pliers. Cut the excess wire carefully with your cutters. Place your pliers again inside the loop and twist it around so it's forward facing. I'm just going to squeeze it together slightly to flatten it with my flat nose pliers and any little protruding edges that you've got. And that's it. Your beautiful graduated pearl connector is ready. I'm going to run you through some little ideas of things that you can make with your connectors. First of all, the easiest one, some hoop earrings. Take a hoop earring and slip your connector on it. To make a drop earring, you need 1 connector, 2 jump rings, a small length of chain, 2 to 3 centimeters, and a stud top with an eyelet on it. To connect, open a jump ring, place your connector on it, the last link of the chain, and close. Open another jump ring, put your earring top through it, the last link of the chain, the other side, and close your jump ring carefully. To make a bracelet or a necklace, you need your chain and 2 jump rings for each connector. Open your jump ring, place one side of your chain on it and one side of your connector. And close it. Open another jump ring. Thread the other side of your connector on it. So this time it goes through that little space that you left at the top. Put the other part of your chain on it You can make a long station necklace using equal lengths of chain linked with a connector, which you can wear long, doubled up, or you can wrap it as a bracelet. You can use your connector to make a pendant by placing it over your chain with a jump ring, and here I've made a double pendant and I've put a little tassel at the bottom using leftover chain, and of course you can always make a matching earring to go with it. That's it. That's how easy it is to make a beautiful connector. Make it using any beads that you've got, any pearls that you've got, any colours that you've got. Enjoy it. Leave us feedback. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos.